Quickgrind is one of the largest UK manufacturers of solid carbide tooling. That's mostly round shank, but also bespoke. We invested over £2.5 million in the last 3 years. We've invested in new temperature-controlled inspection facilities, water heli-check, Alicona.
We've been working with Quickgrind now for the last couple of years on some joint customer projects, utilising their facility here and to work and actually use it to machine some customer projects that we couldn't do on customer sites. We've been utilising our Force module. Force is our optimisation module. It benefits the customer by improving the feeds and speeds being used and lowering the forces being applied to the cutting process. Overall, that will then give us a higher sustainability of the manufacturing process, improve cycle time, and to increase tool life, to increase sustainability really within the manufacturing process. So we can run lots of different data and correlate that in our graphs and then actually see the benefit in cycle time reduction and overall tool life benefits.
Collaboration with Vericut came about from a mutual motorsport customer who wanted to look at the optimization that Vericut Force could bring. This customer was using our tools predominantly. This facility is ideal. So when Scott and Dave approached us, it was an ideal opportunity to really see what Force can do for clients, and it proved very, very successful. It's become a very reliable process for us. So when we do our own prove outs with our new tools, existing tools, testing the geometries, the coatings, and also when we take clients' components, we can optimize the tool to give a really reliable process.
The benefit was shown using the Alicona 3D measuring tool to analyze the tool and seeing there was no detrimental effect to that tool. We also then were able to produce a report from our findings of the live cutting and the afterwards looking at the data that was collected. It showed no detrimental effect to the tools, and the collaboration were then jointly presented to the customer. On that particular project, we were looking around a 20% cycle time saving across the process, and obviously then with the other benefits of improved tool life.
The cutting tool paths are optimized to such a degree that you'll have far better cutting processes, which enables the manufacturer to rely on the tool and the tool paths to produce exactly what he wants without any hesitation.
For further information, visit the website where your inquiry will be directed to an appropriate member of the team.